Mark Twain said, "A marriage makes of two fractional lives a whole. It gives to two questioning natures a reason for living and something to live for."
All the things that had to go right, all the things that had to go wrong, that led us to the place where we were going all along. Now I stand with you for the world to see, my love, my dreams, and me. Right now they fall away. Right now it's just us two. Right now we make a promise. If you do, then I do too.
Marcy, falling in love with you is the easiest thing I've ever done. I am so fortunate to have found you and for you to have found me at just the right moment in each of our lives. Wherever life takes you, I will be by your side and I will be your biggest fan and support.
The most valuable gift we can possibly give to another is the gift of time, as the amount we have on this earth is both unknown and finite. I promise to never take our time for granted together. I will love you forever.
Now on this beautiful day that for many years I feared would never come, I see a man whose heart is once again exposed, and in this moment, with his walls finally down, I can see that little boy in Curtis that I had missed for so many years.
Curtis, I'm humbled and thrilled by the man you've become, and by the father I can see you becoming to this wonderful family. Marcy, thank you for loving Curtis so unconditionally. We wish you nothing but the happiness and peace you both deserve.
Marcy absolutely has a heart of gold. And I am so happy that she has found somebody who does too in Curtis. Curtis, you're amazing. And I can actually say, as her best friend, that I feel totally and completely confident that you will love and cherish her as much as she deserves.
And it's something that's not fake, it's pure love, pure enjoyment. Once you experience that type of love, you see that. I see it in both of them, Marcy and Curtis.
I love you both, and I'm so happy for you both, and excited for your journey as a new family.
Thank you for welcoming us all into the family. I wish you all the best, happiness, and true love forever.
May you have many long years to delight in each other's company and to love and be loved by the friends and family who have come here today to support you. May you make a home together that is both sheltering and welcoming, and may your days be filled with laughter, imagination, trust, friendship, and most of all, love. It is now my honor and delight to declare you husband and wife. Let me seal your love with a kiss. I present to you Marcy and Curtis Kronk.